attacking constantly, ball in the box, cleared. This is mad. This is actually mad. We're getting dominated by. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my days! Oh my god! Oh my god! We are so mudded. It's insane. I've never seen this before in my life. This is mad. We've been dominating for the first half an hour. Flick round the corner. You have to laugh or you'll cry now. This become a comedy show.
Oh, it's in. It's in. It's an absolute screamer as well. It's an absolute screamer. We're actually losing to Wolves. I can't be fucking bothered. I cannot be arsed. We are so fucking muddied. It's unbelievable. Kepa's been just beaten by... we need to see this again because I just can't for the life of me.
Kepa a break. He was under pressure. Yeah, fair enough. Wow. Wow.
Passes from players and fucking hell, my God, man. Oh, my Lord. What a goal from Nunes. What a goal. This is what I'm saying. When the guys like Nunes, how are they even at clubs like Wolverhampton? Like, how did he even find himself here? But what's a goal? A moment of quality to break the deadlock so far is disappointing. I mean, it just took a great goal, really. Mad goal. Lost out right there. Just out of position, just a little bit.
And while actually we were probably the informed team in that game, people forget...
1-0. Sorry, Wolves, Matheus Nunes.
Oh my God.
Chelsea are down.
And Frank Lampard is cooking.
Damn.
Oh, don't say that.
Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off there, but that just flashed right. I was like, ooh.
The pictures out. Remember last time he was in charge, in every game they lost, Frank got that little bit bigger.
Oh, don't.
Listen, let me just read out some of the comments as well. Silverona says, Arteta had a